It's very important to set your mind every single morning when you wake up and reset it to the new day. So before you go to sleep, you need to know what you need to do in the next day. So for me, as you can see, I'm doing my hair because I'm gonna go out with my mom and get ready. And I know what I'm gonna do the rest of the day after I come back from work and all this stuff. And I'm just waking up and trying to like go in the world. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just drinking my beautiful coffee and doing my hair and prepare everything, and in the same time I'm listening to some stuff that makes me feel good. But before doing all that, when I wake up, I just make gratitude note, or saying I'm grateful for 3 things or 5 things or whatever comes in mind in my life. So this set my brain and set my emotions and my feelings to a new start, a new day. Every morning is a complete new day. Just celebrate it and do it as it's a complete new day, just like you didn't have a life before. Once you get into that, you will feel completely different every single morning, especially if you have a lot of problems the night before. When you start that way, it just takes a little bit of practice, but you will get into a new feelings, and you will go even for your problems and your work feeling a lot different, and you will have solutions for everything you want. So this is a mindset that I'm in from a while now, and I'm really enjoying it. So try it, and I hope it will help.